The question is, why nowadays many ladies are not conceiving compared to some years ago and yet they have husbands? There can be several reasons why a woman might not be able to conceive even though she has a husband. Some common causes include infertility. Infertility is a condition that affects both men and women, and can make it difficult or impossible for a couple to conceive. Ovulatory disorders. Ovulatory disorders, such as polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, can prevent the ovaries from releasing eggs, which can make it difficult to conceive. Age. A woman's ability to conceive naturally decreases as she gets older. After the age of 35, the chances of conceiving each month start to decline, and after the age of 40, the chances of conceiving without medical assistance become much lower. Lifestyle factors. Certain lifestyle factors, such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and being overweight or underweight, can affect a woman's ability to conceive. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as thyroid disorders, can impact a woman's ability to conceive. It's important to remember that these are just some of the common causes of infertility, and there can be many other factors that contribute to a woman's inability to conceive. If you or someone you know is having difficulty conceiving, it's a good idea to speak with a healthcare provider to determine the underlying cause and discuss potential treatment options. Can it be some diseases? Yes, certain diseases can affect a woman's ability to conceive and carry a pregnancy to term. Some common diseases that can impact fertility include polycystic ovary syndrome. PCOS. PCOS is a hormonal disorder that can cause infrequent or absent ovulation, leading to infertility. Endometriosis. This is a condition in which tissue similar to the lining of the uterus grows outside of the uterus, causing pain and infertility. Pelvic inflammatory disease. PID. PID is an infection of the reproductive organs that can cause scarring and damage to the fallopian tubes, leading to infertility. Uterine fibroids. These are non-cancerous growths that can develop in the uterus and can impact fertility by altering the shape of the uterus or blocking the fallopian tubes. Thyroid disorders. Hypothyroidism, an underactive thyroid, and hyperthyroidism, an overactive thyroid, can affect a woman's menstrual cycle and ovulation, leading to infertility. It's important to note that these are just a few examples of diseases that can impact fertility. If you have a medical condition and are concerned about how it may affect your ability to conceive, it's a good idea to speak with your healthcare provider for more information and guidance. Also, can it be food people are eating nowadays? Diet can play a role in a person's overall health and fertility, and certain types of food can impact a person's ability to conceive. Here are a few examples. Processed foods. Processed foods are high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt, which can lead to weight gain and other health problems, including infertility. Soy products. Some studies have suggested that consuming high amounts of soy products, such as tofu, may be associated with a reduced ability to conceive. Caffeine. Consuming large amounts of caffeine has been linked to reduced fertility in women and may impact sperm count in men. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption has been linked to infertility in both men and women and should be limited. On the other hand, consuming a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help to promote overall health and fertility. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can also be beneficial for fertility. If you're concerned about how your diet may be impacting your ability to conceive, it's a good idea to speak with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for guidance. Can food that ladies eat avoid them to get pregnant? There is no specific food that a woman should avoid in order to get pregnant. However,